This video will cover the fluid and gasket replacement of a rear differential on a 1982 Volvo 240. This can be completed over lunch. Start by lifting the rear of your car with ramps or jack stands. Remove the Panhard bar for ease of access to the rear differential by unseating the two anchor points connecting the axle to the chassis. If desired, remove the rear anti-sway bar as well. Place a collector below your differential. Remove the level check screw at the center of the differential cover. Remove the drain screw at the bottom of the differential and let the used oil flow into your collector. Remove the 10 screws securing the cover to the rear axle. Use a screwdriver or similar and gently pry the cover from the rear axle. Remove the cover and scrape the old gasket from the rear differential housing. Be mindful not to mar the surface. Once the gasket is fully removed, apply brake cleaner to a towel and clean the surface of any remaining residue. Remove any gasket material from the cover and again, take care not to mar the surface. Clean the inside of the cover with brake cleaner and test fit your new gasket. Reseat your cover and gasket by hand fitting the 10 screws. Once seated, tighten the cover in a crisscross pattern so as to avoid warping the gasket. Clean, inspect, and reseat your drain plug. Fill the rear differential with 1.7 quarts of your preferred oil. For this, I used 80W90. You will know it's full when the oil starts to spill over the check level opening. Reseat your level check screw, reconnect the Panhard bar, and take your car for a test drive. Check for leaks, and you're all done. Enjoy your Volvo 240.